Hello children, welcome to the third video session. Children, in the previous session I have given two questions for homework based on International System of Numeration. So let us discuss answers of these two questions. The first question is 7, 8, 5, 4, 6, 2, 1, 0. First of all, let us place commas. As we know, commas will come after each period. So this place is ones, this is tens, this is 100. So this is the ones period. So first comma will come after the ones period. Now this place is 1000 place, this is 10,000 place, this is 100,000 place. So this period is 1000 period. So second comma will come after the 1000 period. So it will mark millions. So the number in words can be read as 78,546,210. Now let us see next question. The number is 9041273815. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. So this is ones period. So first comma will come after the ones period. This is 1000 place, this is 10,000 place, this is 100,000 place. So second comma will come after the 1000 period. Now this is millions place, this is 10 millions place, this is 100 millions place. So third comma will come after the millions period. So it will mark billions. So number in words can be read as 9,041,273,815. Children, before starting the exercise questions, let us revise one more time the two methods of numeration as discussed in previous sessions. So you know there are two methods of numeration, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now as we have studied earlier, there are four periods in Indian system of numeration, namely starting from the right side, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. And in international system of numeration also there are four periods starting from ones, thousands, millions, billions. Now in Indian system of numeration, ones is divided into three places, ones, tens, 100. Same way in international system also ones is divided into three places, ones, tens, hundreds. Now in Indian system, thousands is divided into two places, namely thousands and 10,000s. Whereas in international system of numeration, thousand is divided into three places, namely thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now in Indian system, lakhs is divided into two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Whereas in international system of numeration, it comes millions, which is divided into three places, namely millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Now in Indian system, the fourth period is crores, which is divided into two places, crores and 10 crores. And in international system of numeration, the last is billions, right? So billions is divided into three places, namely billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Now children, let us see what is the difference between Indian and international system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration, this 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh has how many digits? 6 digits. Now 1 followed by 5 zeros. So this 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 in international system of numeration. Now see here, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs has how many digits? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits in 10 lakhs. That is 1 is followed by 6 zeros. So this 10 lakhs in Indian system is equal to 1 million. 1 million in international system. Now here 1 crore, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 1 crore is equal to 10 millions in international system of numeration. And lastly, this 10 crores in Indian system is equal to 100 millions in international system. So children, let us start with the exercise. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The first blank is 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000. So children, we know in 1 lakh there are 6 digits. We can write 1 lakh like this. 1 is followed by 5 zeros. 10,000. 10,000 is written like this. It has 5 digits, that is 1 followed by 4 zeros. Now here there are 6 digits and here there are 5 digits. Okay, here there are number of zeros are 5 and here number of zeros are 4. So here we require number of zeros as 5. So if we multiply this number, that is 10,000, by 10, then we'll get number of zeros as 5. That means if we multiply 10 by 10,000, we will get 1 lakh. Okay, so the answer is 10. Now the second blank is 1 million is equal to how many 100,000? Children, we know that in 1 million there are 7 digits and 1 million is written like this. 1 is followed by 6 zeros. 100,000. 100,000 is written like this. Now you can see here, children, 1 is followed by 6 zeros and here 1 is followed by 5 zeros. Means to make it equal, here we require 1 more zero. So here also if we multiply this number with 10, that is if we multiply 100,000 with 10, we'll get 1 million. So here also the answer will be 10. Let us see next blank. 1 crore is equal to how many 10 lakhs? Now children, we know that in 1 crore there are 8 digits. 1 crore is written like this. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here you can see there are 8 digits. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is written like this. 10 0 0 0 0 0. This is 10 lakhs. Now we can see that here in 1 crore there are 8 digits, 1 followed by 7 zeros. Whereas here there are 7 digits, 1 followed by 6 zeros. That means here there are 7 zeros, here there are 6 zeros. So in order to make it equal, we need 1 more zero. So this number, that is 10 lakhs, is also multiplied with 10 to make it 1 crore. So here also the answer will be 10. The next blank is 1 crore is equal to how many million? As we have seen earlier, 1 crore has 8 digits, that is 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now in 1 million there are 7 digits, that is 1 followed by 6 zeros. So we can see here there are 7 zeros and here there are 6 zeros. To make it equal, here we require 1 more zero. So this 1 million is multiplied with 10 to make it equal, that is to make it 1 crore. So here also the answer is 10, that is 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. Now next blank is 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? So as we have seen earlier, 1 million has 7 digits, that is 1 is followed by 6 zeros. Whereas in lakhs there are 6 digits, that is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Now children, to make it equal, here there are 6 zeros, here there are 5 zeros. Here we require 1 more zero. So here also this number is multiplied with 10 to make it equal, that is to make it 1 million. So here also the answer will be 10. Let's start with question number 2. The question is, place commas correctly and write the numerals. Here we can see the question is given in words, so we need to write in digits, right? The question is 73,75,307. So I have divided into parts. Okay, there are 3 parts. The first part is 73 lakhs. This is the first part. 75,000. This is the second part. 307. This is the third part. Okay, so according to the first part, 73 lakhs. So we can write like this, 73 lakhs. Then comma, 75,000. 75,000. Comma, 307. 307. Let us verify our answer. Okay, starting from the right side. 7 is at the units place. 0 is at the tens place. 3 is at the hundred place. 5 is at the thousand place. 7 is at the 10,000 place. 3 is at the lakhs place. 7 is at the 10 lakhs place. So number is 73 lakhs 75,307. Now let us start with the next question. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So I have divided again into 3 parts. First part is 9 crore. Second part is 5 lakhs. And third part is 41. We can see here, children, the 1000 place is missing over here. Okay, so if here the 1000 place is not given, we can write 00. Okay, let us start. 9 crore. So 9 crore, comma 5 lakh. We can see here 10 lakh place is also missing. So in place of 10 lakhs, we can write 0, 5 lakh. Okay, then comes the 1000 place, which is not given, which is missing over here. So we can write 0 in 1000 place. And 41. Children, here 100 place is also missing. So we can write in place of 100 place 0. 4, 1. Let us verify the answer now. 1 is at units place. 4 is at tens place. 0 is at 100 place. This 0 is at 1000 place. This 0 is at 10,000 place. This place is lakhs. This place is 10 lakhs. And this place is crore. So the number is 9 crore 5 lakh and 41. Now let's start with the third question. Okay, the question is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Here we can see I have divided this into 4 parts. 7 crore is the first part, 52 lakh is the second part, 21,000 is the third part, and the fourth part is 302. So let's start. 7 crore, that means 7, comma 52 lakh. 52 lakh. 21,000. 21,302. Let us verify the answer. Unit place, 2 is at unit place. 0 is at tens place. 3 is at 100 place. 1 is at 1000 place. 2 is at 10,000 place. This 2 is at lakhs place. 5 is at 10 lakhs place, and 7 is at crores place. So the number is 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. So children, like this D question, that is 58,423,202. I am giving you as homework. This question is based on International System of Numeration, right children? Now let's start with the E question. 23 lakh 30,010. So you can see children, I have divided this into 3 parts. 23 lakhs first part, 30,000 second part, and the third part is 10. Okay, so 23 lakh we can write like this. Then comes 1000. So 30,000. So we can write like this. Children, you can see here 100 place is missing over here. So we can write in place of 100 place 0 and then 10. Let us verify the answer. This 0 is at unit place. 1 is at tens place. 0 is at 100 place. This 0 is at 1000 place, 3 is at 10,000 place, 3 is at lakhs place, and this 2 is at 10 lakhs place. So the number is 23 lakhs 30,010. Third question is, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. The first question is 8, 7, 5, 9, 5, 7, 6, 2. We have to insert commas over here and then we have to write in words according to Indian system of numeration. So let us first place commas. Okay, so this is the ones place, or you can say the units place. This is the tens place. This is the hundred place. So after unit period, first comma will come. This is the thousand place. This is the 10,000 place. So second comma will come after the thousand period. This is the lakhs place. This is the 10 lakhs place. So third comma will come after the 10 lakhs place. That is the lakhs period. So the number is read as in words. Okay, 8 crores. We can write like this: 8 crores 75 lakhs 75 lakhs 95,000 762 762. So like this, children, this question I am giving you as homework. The number is 854628 You have to insert commas and then you have to write the number in words. Okay, now third question. The question is 9990004 starting from the right side. 6 is the ones place, 4 is the tens place, 0 is the hundred place. So first comma will be here. This is the thousand place, this is the 10,000 place. So second comma will be here. This is the lakhs place, this is the 10 lakhs place. So third comma will be here. So the number, now this place will be crore. So this number can be read as 9 crore 99 lakhs 0,000. If you will not write 0,000, it will do, right? 0,100. That also if you will not write, it will do. So 9 crore 99 lakhs 46. So children, same way, this question is for homework. 98432701. Here also you have to insert commas and you have to write this number in words. The fourth question is, insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. Okay, so this is the number. The number is 78921092. So this is the units place. This is the tens place. This is the hundred place. So first comma will come after the unit period. This is the thousand place. This is the 10,000 place. This is the 100,000 place. So second comma will be placed after the 1000 periods. This is the millions place and this is the 10 millions place. So children, in words the number can be written as 78 millions 921,921,000. 100 place is 0. So 92. Okay, so number is 78,921,092. So second question is for homework. The number is 7452283. You have to insert commas and write in words according to International System of Numeration. Now third question. The number is 999,85102. This is the units place. This is the tens place. This is the hundred place. So first comma will come here. This is the thousand place. This is the 10,000 place. And this is the 100,000 place. So second comma will come over here. This is the million place. And this is 10 millions place. So number in words can be read as 99 millions, 99 millions, 985 102. That is 99,985,102. So children, the next question also 48049831 I am giving for homework. That's all for today. Hope you have understood it well. Goodbye and have a nice day.